order for us to do any financial statement analysis, you first have to understand the financial statement. So this is just a refresher. If you want more details, you go back to my Accounting 101 courses or Finance 101. But we have to remember the financial statements at a glance, and we have to understand the financial statement flow. So we always start off with our income statement. Remember, this is also known as the profit or loss statement. You're ultimately going to be figuring out your revenue, your top line minus your cost of goods sold equals your gross profit less expenses equals your net income, and then you could figure out your after-tax net income. Then that all should flow into your equity. Your statement of equity is going to tell you how many shares you have in a company, how the equity structure is formatted, common shares versus preferred shares versus any other equity kind of arrangements. Then your income is going to flow into your retained earnings or cumulative loss line. That ultimately helps you prepare your balance sheet. The important thing to remember there is your assets equal liabilities plus equity. You don't really have to know debits and credits too much in this class. And that on your balance sheet, that's where you're going to find those specific accounts when you're doing ratio analysis.